Our GeoGrid is in. It's a structural retaining wall. We typically would be using a uni-axial grid, strength in one direction. We actually cut one piece and put it perpendicular to the wall face, measured from the face of the wall to the tail of the grid, 4 feet. But this is the Alliance 3030 biaxial grid. So the rest is simply rolled the length of the wall. That has saved us time. Along the back of this wall is a drain tile. It has holes all the way around. It has a pitch of 1 inch in 50 feet out to daylight. Hey, Sam, here you go.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Our wall is the fascia wall by Techo-Bloc. The core units are structural or double-sided, either way. These are ASTM 1372 spec units. They're manufactured on their side, no height variation. The veneer is our Fascia Iconic series. It's available in Klean-Bloc Technology, which means stain-proof. Our cap is our Raffinato 60. It's a great complement to the coping all the way around the pool. Now, our wall is built directly on the coping. We used our Alliance XP with low VOC technology installed with the flow water for that first course. We set our grid in. Our next course, after using our HEPA particle vacuum, make sure that surface is nice and clean. Our cap is again Raffinato 60, and we'll use the same adhesive to glue that down. This Raffinato's in grade nickel will be a great complement to the Blue Grande slabs we're gonna have here, about 2 courses, a drain, and then on up to the house. Now, to get this area smooth, we use the BR 1570 from Bartell Global. The R stands for reversible. It's the smallest reversible vibratory plate compactor on the market. Same speed, forward or reverse. This is also the appropriate centrifugal force rating within 3 feet of the back of the wall without pushing it out. This will give us a good smooth area, make it easy for screeding. Now, our hardscape project, the bones are in. We should be screeding and laying slabs by morning.